happy days. It's an away day. Tuesday, is it the 20th? 20th of August. And we're heading down to Spotland, the home of Rochdale. It's a league game tonight, so hopefully we're looking to pick up 3 points. Weather's not bad, so it should be a good drive down. McNulty is injured, so isn't going to make the squad tonight, so he's going to be out. So we're hoping that Jack Ross plays a 4-4-2, goes at these, attacks them. But it would be nice to see Grigg and Wyke start up front. For me, that's where I'd like. If you want a prediction, then I would say 3-1 Sunderland. So, Karen, what's the score going to be?
2-1. Hi. 2-1.
So Karen thinks 2-1, a 2-1 win. The most important thing is it'd be nice to get a good performance, but that doesn't matter. It's all about getting the 3 points in the bag. We're going to do a little bit of a filming for SAFC Fan TV as well. When we're down there, we're going to get some fan reactions when they come out of the ground, and when we return home, we'll get those straight up onto the channel for you. So we'll see you a little bit further down the road. How are the lads? Woohoo!
Before you get it, baby, show me your soul, and honey, I'll show you.
Right, so we've come off the M62, and we're now heading to Rochdale. How good's Rochdale? Do we like Rochdale? I brought you to Rochdale. How good am I? Am I a good husband for bringing you to Rochdale? Kaza, over to you.
No.
I can't believe you are so ungrateful. I take you on a road trip, right?
In 1 mile, bear left.
I'm bearing left. I take you on a road trip to Rochdale, and that's how grateful you are. All right, so we've arrived at Rochdale, Spotland. Here we are. Are you happy? We're off to the Spotland Social Club for a couple of bevies. So we'll see you in there. Bye. Well, I'll have some pop, won't I? We'll see you in there. Bye. So here we are, we're in the Spotland Social Club, Rochdale, with Scott down here, the Rochdale fan.
Up the Dale.
Hey, obviously he's had a lot to drink already. And Scott, what do you think the score's going to be?
I'm being a conservative, but 1-1.
You're confident you're going to get a point?
Well, I think we're going to keep our unbeaten run.
Well, 1-1, we're good at 1-1s. I must admit, we're good at drawing 1-1. However, unfortunately, I've got to tell you that it's going to be Rochdale 1, Sunderland 3. I do apologise. But I wish you luck for the rest of the season after tonight.
Okay, thank you very much.
There you go, you're on the vlog.
Up the Dale.
Sunderland, just about to kick off. How are the lads? this dangerous current.
Sunderland.
Right, McGeady got the ball just on the edge of the area, fouled. It's a free kick to Sunderland. Right, then long ball from Rochdale, put their man through on the right, just right on the edge of the box, brought down by Luco 9. It's a free kick to Rochdale. Offside! Jesus. Right, break from Rochdale down the right, put the ball in for their man just too far in front of him. At 16 minutes gone, it's still 0-0. So and out, there you go. Alright, it's out by Rochdale, claimed for a handball by, I think it might have been Cooch, but nowhere was that apparently. Alright, then number 10 run right through the middle of us, got the edge of the area, shot. Just right, just over. I think it was Charlie White headed just right. Oh, here we go. Shit. Oh, shit. Alright, they broke, played down at the left. It was their number 7. Put the ball into their number 10. Edge of the area. Shot into the goal. It's now Rochdale 1, Sunderland 1. Bloody hell, man.
£10 we paid for these tickets.
Was
£10 we paid for this.
Go and tell her how much these tickets were. Oh my god, she'll go mental. They weren't £10. They weren't £10. Let's end it there, shall we? We'll just about have a fallout. She thinks the tickets were 12 quid. They've just had an attack, put the ball in the box. Definitely a handball by, I think it was Buster. They should have had a penalty, but they didn't get it. Still 1-1. Alright, 36 minutes gone then. Free kick to Rochdale, almost central. 30 yards out. Here we go. Ball out for a corner to Rochdale. Right, 09 in the box, crossover. And headed out to Sunderland. Sunderland still winning 1-1. Right, Sunderland down the right hand side, ball on McGuire, which means we've got a free kick as good as a corner. Right, here we go then. Led Billy to take it. Bit of a surprise there. Good, you got the ball, wanted to beat everybody, and in the end got beat. There you go then, it's half time at Spotland. It's Rochdale 1, Sunderland 1. Sunderland started well, then Rochdale his way into the box, shot, and saved by the keeper out for a corner to Rochdale already. By free kick, Sunderland, right hand side, and Dwyer to take it. Come on then, lads, good ball in, good ball in. Come on, one of you. Good ball in. Rochdale 1, Sunderland 2. Sunderland. 87 minutes gone, we're going to have to go outside, get some interviews done for SCFC Fan TV. We'll see you in the car. Alright, so we came out of the ground 5 minutes before full time so we could get some interviews for SCFC Fan TV, which meant we couldn't do the end of our vlog. So you're doing it now. We're stopped at Wetherby on the way back. A great win for Sunderland. Rochdale played really well. Was quite impressed by them, but it finished Rochdale 1, Sunderland 2, which Karen predicted. Yeah. She got it right for once. we'll get this vlog up as soon as we can. Don't forget, once again, like, share, subscribe, drop us some comments in the comments below, and we'll be back on Saturday for another vlog when Sunderland are at home to Wimbledon. So we'll see you then. Bye.